Good morning. It is, what day is it? Tuesday, January 26, 2021. I am meteorologist Steve Krasinowski with your weather briefing storm scoop update. Poetically, we'll call this one winter. Let's jump in and see what kind of winter we've had going on today and next few days. Here's some winter. It was in the form of snow, but a tremendous amount of moisture that is desperately needed across the Midwest over the last 24 hours has fallen. Des Moines, Iowa, with the big wind, recorded 10.5 inches of snow. Well, it's 10.3, but we'll round up. This area was pretty dry over the last 3 weeks. Definitely needed that moisture, but now that that's moved through, we gotta talk about what's coming east. So here's our storm approaching the area. A quick round of snow for northern New Jersey and northeastern Pennsylvania. By the afternoon, probably about an inch we're looking at. I think jackpot areas would be maybe 3 inches, but I think a nice inch all around is what we're going to go with. All snow to the north in New England, north of 84 as well. I'm thinking those areas 2 to 4 inches. Thinking with more in the mountains, be careful in northwest New Jersey and northeastern PA as temps stay below freezing even when it's raining later on. And now I want to talk a little bit about Thursday. So here is our rapidly intensifying deepening low, which is moving east over open water. Hurricane force winds are in the forecast and expected to rapidly intensify. And it sounds like we're talking about August, or in this past year, September, October, November. But it is January, almost February, and here it is. Unfortunately, it's not going to make its way up the coast. That would do a hell of a job, but it's not going to live there. I think our next bet is for that storm next week, Monday into Tuesday. Here's the European Ensemble mean for Tuesday. Great setup for a coastal storm. If you want to jump into the models, here are our ensembles for next week. Here's the European, probably the second closest. I think the GFS is the closest here. The Canadian, a little too far out there. Tuesday, let's bring it down to the surface, and you can see, depending where you are, the placement of that low will tell you between snow or snowy mix or snow to mixed rain. And it could be any of those things. One more. This is again what it could look like next week. Pull this down 50 miles. And you got it. Anyway, I want to quickly run through GFS models, show you what we're working with. Let's run through it. Here's our storm today. Gentle. It's the thought that comes to mind, just a gentle nudging of snow for everyone. Here is our low for Thursday off the coast, bringing some of that snow into the Carolinas. How about that? Seen a lot of that so far this winter, and then it wraps up into the beast that it will become, but it leaves the Northeast not enough moisture to back up. So I think what we'll do now is go into that early next week. Right here, Sunday afternoon. The GFS makes it a rainstorm for New York, a mess for New Jersey. Everyone starts as snow and then culminates into something different. It starts getting wound up off the coast. This is Monday night. Tuesday, you can see it's becoming a long duration event. So you pull that 25, 50 miles a different way, and your solution becomes completely different. There's more snow. And you pull it even more, and then you get nothing. But it's been there, it's been showing up, and I'm just pushing through the rest of the run. And we end there on February 11th. Maybe it's your Valentine's Day storm. Who knows? It's too far out anyway. Anyway, gonna jump on some walls. I'll see you out there. Meteorologist Steve Krasnowski.